Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a really easy but glamorous warm toned eye makeup look using a very affordable palette from NYX Cosmetics. But the first thing I'm going to do, like always, is prime my eyelids, and I'm using the soft ochre paint pot from MAC Cosmetics. And to apply this, I'm taking a P84 brush from Sigma Beauty. I'm just going to press this all over the eyelid. And then when I have applied enough product, I'm going to softly blend it to make sure that everything looks smooth on the eyelid. So like I said in my intro, today I'll be playing with this palette from NYX, and I'm starting with that really light color. And I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid just to make sure that the eyeshadow primer is locked in place, so we're good to go. Then I'm taking this yellow color and I'm going to start blending this all over my crease using a Sigma Beauty E40 brush. And in case you're curious, I do have a special affiliate code which you can use on any Sigma products, on their brushes, on their makeup. I will put the code in the description bar in case you're curious. So I'm just going to blend this all over my crease, going back and forth. If you haven't followed any of my tutorials, you know I always start with more of a light color to build up the transition. This way it will make it more easier to blend out other eyeshadows later on. I would always suggest to go first in with a light color and then build up with darker shades. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm taking this orangey color and I'm basically going to do the same thing. I'm just going to blend this in my crease as well. But by starting in with a lighter color first, it just makes it so much more easier. And also you will get a really nice gradient transition, which goes from light, from your brow, to dark, towards your eyelids. And I really think this is just a really easy way to make the blending a lot more easier. So definitely try this out if you haven't tried this ever. I'm sure you guys will love it. Then I'm taking this shade, which is a brown color with a reddish undertone. And I'm going to blend this in my crease as well. You can also go in with this shade as your first color and then blend out the edges with lighter colors. So you do it in a different order. I always go in with lighter shades first and then I build it up darker and darker. But what you can also do is start with a darker color and then around the edges you can go in with lighter colors. It gives the same effect, but I think it's a personal preference. Some people like to go in with lighter shades first and some people like to go in with darker shades. I just feel like it's easier to go in with lighter shades. Just let me know what you guys prefer. Do you go in with lighter shades first or do you start with darker colors? I'm really curious to know. Then for the next shade, I'm taking this orangey color and I'm just going to blend it around the edges just to make sure that everything is well blended out. If you ever feel like it still doesn't really look really smooth blended out, you can always go back in with a color you used before to blend it around the edges, and this will make it look way more smoother. And since we have already used colors in this particular orange shade range, it's really easy to blend everything together. Then now I'm going in with that light orangey shade again, but this time I'm going to blend this underneath the lower lash line and I'm trying to connect it with the outer end. As you can see, I'm blending from the outer V towards the lower lash line, and since I used that shade in my crease already, it's really easy to connect the lower lash line with my crease since that shade is already there. Then I took that yellow shade which I used at the beginning and I blended a little bit of that underneath the lower lash line as well, just to make the transition look even more blended out. And I have to say I blended this up quite low. I really wanted to have that really blown out lower lash line. I really love how that looks, and also these shades really made my eyes pop out, which I love. Then I'm taking that shimmery color and I'm just using my tiniest finger and I'm going to apply a little bit of that in the inner corner area. If you recreate this, you can easily keep everything matte and skip this part, but I just wanted to give it a different twist. Then for my lower lash line, I'm taking this 24/7 Glide On eye pencil in the shade Lucky, which is by Urban Decay. This is a shade which looks very similar to the shades I used in my crease, so I thought it would be perfect to apply this in the waterline. And then for my eyeliner, I'm taking this matte liquid liner from NYX Cosmetics as well. And I'm going to create a simple line above the lash line because I am going in with fake eyelashes, and every time I use fake eyelashes, I always like to go in with a little bit of eyeliner. This way it will hide the lash bands. And whenever I use fake eyelashes, I really don't like it when you can see a very visible lash band, which doesn't really connect with anything on the eyelid. So I always go in with a little bit of eyeliner. Now I'm taking these lotus lashes and I'm going to apply them using a tweezer and my favorite lash glue, which is from House of Lashes. And then this is the end result with the lashes applied. I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I think this is a perfect look for any eye color. It will really make your eye color stand out. I really hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!